Esse é o da parking também, certo?
All parking is valid only.
All right, we finally made it to Austin. Hector, you excited?
Yeah. Very excited. I gotta go pee though.
What about you, Mom? You excited?
Yes, we are all excited. How
Not
about
here.
you? Are you excited?
Yeah, I'm really excited. I'm really excited for that In-N-Out. Actually, I want to try it out.
You're
That's
hungry?
the only reason I'm here.
You're hungry
I'm
already?
not hungry. I'm just want to try In-N-Out, just to end that beef. Pun intended.
In and out.
Ah, you did it. There he is.
Esto es parking only. Toma, aquí ya me dieron la habitación.
Ahí está.
¿Está grabando?
Sí.
Ok.
Simplemente apunta a nosotros. Sí. Gracias, Mom. Thank you, Mom. Nice.
Yo tenía dos de cada uno.
2323.
Ya lo tengo. 78705. Estaba una milla de aquí.
Wow, estamos al lo que pasa es que
Carranda.
¿Ah?
Carranda. Ahí viene.
Ok.
I saw that.
Assault.
Yes. We got that. All right, time for the most exciting part. We already got here to the hotel and stuff. Now we're actually going to on campus to see Hector's apartment and just walk around, maybe take a few shots, some B-roll action. So yeah, we'll see. First time in Austin, so we're gonna give it our best. All right, see you there. Nosotros estamos, como entramos. Oops, that close. All right, we made it to the campus. This is such a college life atmosphere. Literally, it's a bunch of like sorority. How you feeling, Hector?
¿Está bien? ¿Está bien? Quiero, es que como no he visto el apartamento, nada. No estoy
Claro.
seguro si vamos a ir hoy.
All right, we're just waiting for the keys so Hector can move in. Oops, a little smudge on it. You ready, Hector? Yeah. Look at, what else do they have here? They have pool table, pool.
Tienen gym.
Gym. Are you gonna be at the gym?
How exciting.
Payment. Would I pay?
Have you guys, have you...
One por cuarto. Hector gets a penthouse.
You bet. 17?
I pressed it.
Nos quedamos aquí.
Alright, I guess we're not going to 17. Ah, your key. You need your key to think. Right here. Yep. Yes.
Okay.
Eso es bueno porque eso es seguridad.
Exacto.
No todo el mundo puede entrar aquí, solo los que tienen la llave.
You did it.
Hay que checar dónde son las escaleras, ¿sabes?
Que no me va a bajar.
Bueno, en caso de emergencia, para que uno sepa dónde uno
Caso
tiene que
me
coger.
desde para que mira, ayúdenme, yo no voy a bajar.
Wow.
Ok, la torre está para allá.
Look at this view.
I'm blessed.
Ooh. All right, just got to the room. I'm gonna shoot some B-roll so y'all can get a view of the entire room. All right, let's do it. That does it for the tour. I hope you enjoyed the video. Now we're gonna go grab a bite to eat and then probably go back to the campus. Anyways, it's an awesome room. As you can see, you have all of downtown. It's incredible. I wish I was back at college, but anyways, all right. Alright, just checking out one of these bird machines. I think you just scan it and that's pretty much it. That's really cool. Alright, just got done with food. We're just gonna roam around downtown, just take a look at what Austin has to offer.
Sí, esta es mierda aquí. Vamos a lo mejor. Esta es la versión mía en español.
This is awesome. We saw 6th Street earlier before. It looked pretty cool. Hope we get a chance to see that. Also, probably In-N-Out. That'd be awesome. We can go to In-N-Out. There's so much to do here. I don't even know where to start. I wish I had way more than a week, but hopefully we can make it happen. I can explore as much as possible. I feel like I'm missing out on a lot, but hopefully we get to see it all. Oh, look. Like I said, and again, I can't point at the... Oh, there you go. There's Google. You can barely see it. Yep, it's there. Anyways, hopefully you like the B-roll I've been shooting. Every single B-roll shot has been taken with the 50mm lens. I'll do a little review on it. I'm just testing it out. Just got it a couple days ago, primarily for this trip in Austin. It's a 50mm lens, but it's not made by Canon. It's actually made by a third party. The reason I got that one because it's $100 cheaper, and I wanted to see how good it really was. So I'll have a review coming up shortly. So if you want to hear that out, you can save money on camera lenses, especially if you have a Canon. just subscribe. I'm sure you'll get great value out of that video. So that about does it for this video. We just pretty much took him to the apartment where he's gonna be staying at, the dorms. Just laid out everything. It was pretty quick, so I mean, we thought it was gonna take us like a couple days, but we got it done in a couple hours. So you saw a little bit about downtown, but tomorrow or our next video, we're actually gonna be touring the actual campus and a little bit more about downtown. Hopefully, we get a chance to see a lot more of what the Austin nightlife is and whatnot. So. Subscribe for those videos. If you like this one, please leave a thumbs up. It really helps out. I really appreciate it. So if you could, that'd be great. But yeah, again, like I mentioned earlier, if you have any 2 cents to add or any comments in regards to the B-roll, please let me know. I just got this 50mm lens. I'm just testing it out, so trying to get the hang of it. If you have any tips, please leave them down in the description, in the comments below. That'd be great. But yeah, like I said, see you in the next video. Thank you so much for tuning in. Bye.